So, for the introduction and recap of yesterday, my name is Simone Andersson. For anyone who is new, today number 3 here of our conference. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer at WEEE Center, and we are very happy and honored to be hosting this conference with more than 50 experts sharing their experiences and knowledge on different issues surrounding electronic and electric waste. So yesterday we had sessions on innovation and new modern technologies, where we heard how batteries and spare parts and all of this that needs to be able to be reused, how they are working for this in the IOM, for instance. Gemma Arthurson was sharing that, and Envirosur, Sean Mumford, was sharing the state-of-the-art technology they have in Dubai. The research and development section, where we concluded that there is a lot of research needed in this field, especially from Africa. Also, what kind of health effects that we do have and need to highlight in order to come up with good solutions for the e-waste already laying around as well. We had our chief guest, Honorable Mohammed Elmi, talking about the job opportunities, the resources that we need to regain, and also, of course, how that will also save greenhouse gases when we start reusing and recycling in a better manner. Also raising public awareness, which affects the politicians, and he was looking forward to having policy recommendations coming out from this conference as well. Then we talked about problematic fractions. Federico Magalini from Sophie's UK, who's been in the business for 20 years. He was looking very positive on this, since right now there's a lot of energy in this field from Africa, and he sees a bright future ahead when things now are starting to move. There is a lot to do with the batteries, and also to have the transboundary movements made possible, so that we can bring items from different countries to other countries where the technology of recycling is more developed. We also talked about the logistics and storage and work, how we bring in health and security and safety aspects into this, where Sebastian Frisch from Black Forest and also Phil Holman from Shell Foundation talked about how to do this, the risk assessments, and then the order. Start simple was the best advice. Start having a clean and neat workplace that will sort most of the things out, and then do it in an orderly manner. And then on capacity building and awareness creation, we heard Dr. Rose Ngudi from Kipra and Karin Boomsma from SIB, Sustainable Inclusive Business, and KEPSA, where they talked about the need of structure, of course, on awareness raising, target trainings, and creating platforms for all of this in not only Kenya, but Africa as a whole. And then creating positive messages to make it more sustainable in the long run. Negative messages are usually not well received. So that was yesterday. And what are we going to do today? Well, we have already heard the Circular Innovation Hub tell about what they're looking forward to doing. And then we're going to have circular economy and resource recovery is the theme of today. So we will talk about sustainable production and the producer's role in this, and in industrial symbiosis